You have the Samsung Galaxy. This is the A14 5G. Very cool textured background, and you unfortunately have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. And you didn't write it down. Whatever you do, you just can't remember. So you know you have to reset the phone. So you go to do the thing where you want to reset the phone. You go to power it off. You go to power it off, but the phone doesn't even let you power off without your PIN. So the first thing you can do is just let the battery run out. If you need to reset your phone right now, let's do it. I'll teach you how to do it right now. All right, we're going to hold volume down and power at the exact same time. Volume down, power. We're going to keep holding, and as soon as this screen goes off, we're going to switch up very quickly to volume up and power. Keep holding, keep holding right there. Volume up and power. Now we can let go. It blinked that one time. Keep holding right there. Now we can let go. Now this will bring up the Android recovery menu. Now we'll be able to reset our phone. Keep in mind, if you do this process, you still have to log in with your Google or Gmail account, and the phone will warn you of that. Here, let's go. Let's use volume keys now. We're in the Android recovery menu. Let's go to wipe data, factory reset right here. If your phone is reset, you'll still need to enter your Google account information, your email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. All right, so let's press OK, power for OK. One more time. This will wipe all user data that cannot be undone. Scroll down one more time, hit power, OK. And now the phone, since we've got the data wipe being complete, and now it's safe to reboot the system. And that is how you reset your phone if you've forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hey, and if you want a neat trick on how to never forget your PIN, pattern, or password, watch this video next.